you're looking for a great surge protector, you're going to want to check this one out. So you're going to get 12 outlets with that. So 3 here, 3 over here, and 3 over there. And you're going to get 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB. Really like that this has more USB-Cs because a lot of stuff is coming with that. Then we got a nice long extension cord here. So this is going to be 6.5 feet. And the reason this is wrapped up is because it comes with the Velcro piece. So you could just put this however long you need it, then wrap it with this Velcro so it is nice and neat. Really like the fact that you got the little stoppers on the bottom as well, so this doesn't go anywhere. I really like the fact that instead of a bar, this is round because it's going to take up less space. And you get lots of plugs. So even if you needed more than these 2 USBs and the USB up here, you could obviously plug in chargers or you could just plug in other devices. If you're looking for a great surge protector, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so you can do this review.